if you have the perfect school with the perfect school life? In this case, I'm gonna have to lower my hand, just like many of you, because no matter how great your school is or how amazing your school life is, there's probably some room for improvement. And not just in schools, but pretty much everywhere. There's always room for improvement, even in yourself. But that's not the point right now. The thing is that my school realized that they aren't perfect. So this year, they started asking students every 3 or 4 months to take a survey. And in the survey, they cover a wide variety of topics. They ask you like, what parts of the school should we renovate? Are the teachers treating you with respect? Have you faced any problems in the school? And so on and so forth. And at the very end of the survey, there's a blank box where you can just have your freehand comment of something that you noticed that wasn't mentioned in the survey that you really want the school to improve on. So for me personally, I didn't really have anything like that, so I just left it blank and submitted it. But there is a girl that sits next to me, and she wears a hijab. And well, I could see that she was pretty tense about whether should I write this comment, should I not write it. So at that moment, I encouraged her, and I'm like, if you see a problem with your school, go on, write about it and get it fixed. And when she wrote about it, I was surprised that she was even facing this problem, because up to that point, I had no idea that this even existed. But she told me saying, yeah, Amishi, it's a real struggle that every day when I go to the restroom to try and fix my hijab, some of the kids that, let's just say, aren't well behaved, like to come in and try and take photos and videos of her hair. And well, this is why each and every day she has to change up the timings on when she goes to go fix it. So this is where my unique thought comes into play. And this shouldn't only just be in schools, but in restaurants, in amusement parks, or in any other public place. Why can't there be a separate excluded area that's only for people with hijabs and for the purpose of fixing your hijabs or changing it, and there's strictly no photography allowed? It would kind of be like a selfie booth, but just for people with hijabs in an area that not many people would go to. What do you think about it? Anyways, if you haven't guessed already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open.